In order to be financially literate, then it will require you to simply learn and practice a variety of skills that are related to budgeting, managing, paying off debts, and understanding credit and investment products. The good news is that no matter where you are in life in terms of finance, it is never too late to start practicing these good financial habits. And that is exactly what I am about to show you in this video. The first step to take in order to be more financially literate is by creating a budget. Keep track of the total amount of money that you are earning from all of your sources of income each month against the amount of money that you spend either through liabilities or expenses. Then go ahead and try to eliminate the things that you spend money on that are not necessary for your life, such as liabilities. The second step to take in order to be more financially literate is by paying yourself first. It is very cruel to actually pay other people out of your own income and end up paying yourself last. This occurs in instances such as paying for your expenditures like bills. It is advisable to set a savings goal whereby you will be setting aside a certain amount of money each month. Then after setting aside your savings, the remaining amount you can use to settle the expenditures and the liabilities that you have. If the money for your expenses and liabilities is not enough, then it is an indication that you need to pull up your socks and increase the sources of income or work harder in what you do to earn a living. But keep in mind, pay yourself first. The third step to take in order to be more financially literate is by reading financial books. In most instances, most people, when are done with school and have achieved their dream jobs, they actually know that they are done with knowledge. While my beloved ones, this is not the case. By now you should have known that the school does not actually provide financial knowledge classes, and in the 21st century, living a life without financial intelligence is very dangerous in your life in the long term. So therefore seek knowledge from books written by successful entrepreneurs who are self-made and strive to implement the knowledge in your life. So that you will simply know what to do and what to avoid doing, I will put a link down below in the description, or simply look above to see the link to the video containing knowledge on the books that you need to start reading. The fourth step to take in order to be more financially literate is by investing in your future. Let me assume that you are an employee of a certain company. In case your employer offers a 401k retirement savings account, then make sure that you sign up and contribute to your best level in order for you to stand a chance of receiving the employee match. Go ahead and consider the opportunity of having your own individual retirement account and creating a diversified investment portfolio of stocks, commodities, and fixed incomes. In case you are actually finding it hard in the process, just simply seek financial advice from professional advisors who will help you determine how much money you will need to retire comfortably and develop strategies to reach your own financial goals. The fifth step to take to be more financially literate is managing debt. After creating the budget, as I had explained before, go ahead and use it to stay on top of debt by reducing the expenditure and maximizing on increasing repayment. Simply develop a debt reduction plan, like paying the loan with the highest interest rate first. If you have a very heavy burden of excess debt, just go ahead and contact lenders to renegotiate repayment, consolidate loans, or simply find a debt counseling program. The sixth step to take in order to be more financially literate is by confirming your credit score. If by any chance you have a good credit score, then it is a very huge advantage to yourself, since it will give you the ability to have the best interest rates on loans and credit cards. Simply keep track of your score through a free credit monitoring service, or you can also use the best credit monitoring service, but keep in mind, in this case, you will have to pay, since it has the extra advantage of protecting your information. Always be alert to the financial decisions that can raise or lower your scores, such as credit inquiries and credit utilization ratios. The seventh step to take in order to be more financially literate is by getting your credit report. Every once in a year, consumers are given the ability to request a free credit report from 3 of the major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, through a federally created website well known as Annual Credit Report.com. The moment you get the report, just simply go ahead and dispute any errors in it by informing the credit bureau of inaccuracies. Well, my beloved ones, we have actually come up to the end of the video. But before you go click off from the video, I would kindly ask you, if you are new to this channel and you are interested in topics such as entrepreneurship, business, sales and marketing, life skills and motivation, then consider yourself at home by clicking the subscribe button below so that you will be the first person to be notified once I upload a new video. And the fact that you have reached this point, then it means that you found the video very interesting. So therefore click the like button to show your appreciation and gratitude. As for now, goodbye.